Have you ever felt like you had to leave everything behind just to give your kids a better life? That was me. I worked overseas, long hours, far from home, missing birthdays, missing moments with my kids. I kept telling myself it was for a better future, but inside I felt empty. All I wanted was to be there to actually live life with my kids, not just send money home. Then everything changed when I started my own online business. Now I work from my phone, from anywhere. I'm finally present, providing for my family without missing the moments that matter most. And that's why I'm helping other moms just like you to do the same, to build income online and create the freedom we all deserve. Because you don't have to choose between providing and being there. Comment freedom or click the link in my bio and I'll show you how.